Charlotte, can you wait for me after school today?
Sure. Why do you sound nervous?
Ethan has been bothering me again.
What did he do this time?
He took my snack during lunch.
Did a teacher see it? No. He always waits until nobody is looking. That's not okay. Why haven't you told Mom and Dad? Ethan said everyone would laugh at me. And you believed him? I didn't know what else to do.
James, how was school today?
It was fine, Dad.
You don't look fine.
I'm just tired.
Dad, I think James is hiding something.
What do you mean?
Someone at school has been making his life miserable.
Then we need to find out who it is. James, is Charlotte telling the truth?
I didn't want anyone to worry.
Who has been bothering you?
A boy named Ethan, taking my things and making fun of me.
What has Ethan been doing? Why didn't you tell a teacher?
Ethan says nobody will believe me. James, you're not alone anymore. I hope you're right.
Hey, James! Did you bring lunch money today? Leave me alone, Ethan. That's not a very friendly answer. I said leave me alone. Or what? Will your big sister save you? Stop talking about her. Everyone knows you're scared.
I'm not scared of you.
I'm not scared of you.
Then prove it and stand up for yourself.
Maybe I will someday. Ethan, why are you always bothering my brother?
Mind your own business.
James is my business.
Then maybe you're as weak as he is.
At least I don't bully people.
You don't know what you're talking about. Charlotte, let's just go home.
Not this time.
Look at that! The baby needs his sister again! Stop calling me that!
Apologize to him.
Make me. Nobody believes losers!
One day, everyone will see who you really are.
Why are you doing this to me? Because it's funny.
That's not funny. That's cruel. Cry about it. I won't cry.
Good. Then watch me win. Charlotte, nobody sat with me at lunch today.
What happened? Ethan told everyone not to talk to me. He actually said that?
Yes.
And they listened.
That's awful.
Emma, why didn't you sit with James? Ethan said people would make fun of me too. So you abandoned him? I was scared. Mom, can I stay home tomorrow? Why would you want that? I don't want to see Ethan again. Has it gotten that bad?
It feels like the whole school hates me.
Oh, sweetheart.
James, no matter what happens, we're with you.
It doesn't feel like enough.
Then we'll make sure it is enough.
I hope so. Charlotte, everyone was staring at me today.
Why were they staring? Ethan told people I steal things. He said what? Now nobody trusts me. That's a terrible lie. Ethan, why are you spreading rumors?
Maybe because they're true.
Who is that watching us? I need to find out what he's up to.
Keep spreading those rumors, Ethan. He's almost broken.
Gotcha.
It was Tyler all along?
He's the one pulling the strings.
We're taking this to the principal tomorrow.
I'm ready now.
This is the proof of Tyler's manipulation.
I don't know what you're talking about. That video doesn't prove anything. He told me to do it. He said he'd make my life miserable too. This isn't over. I'm sorry, James. I shouldn't have listened to him. I appreciate that, Ethan. I feel much better today.
To James and to our family.
Thanks for everything, Charlotte.
Always, James. Always. I'm not afraid anymore. Emma, did Ethan start all these rumors himself?
I don't think so.
What do you mean? I heard someone older talking to him. Someone older? Yes. A student from 6th grade. Do you know his name? Tyler. James, have you ever had problems with Tyler?
Not really.
Then why would he be involved?
I honestly don't know.
Tyler, why are you hanging around Ethan?
That's none of your business.
It becomes my business when my brother is being hurt.
You're asking the wrong questions.
What does that mean?
Maybe Ethan isn't the one making all the decisions.
Then who is?
If I were you, I'd keep looking.
Emma, I need you to tell me everything you know. I saw Ethan crying behind the gym last week. Ethan was crying? Yes. He looked really upset. Did you hear what happened? He was arguing with Tyler. What were they arguing about? Tyler kept saying Ethan had to continue. Continue what? The rumors about James.
James, I think I found something important. What is it?
Ethan may not have started this by himself. Are you serious? Someone might be pushing him.
Then why would Ethan listen?
This is getting stranger every day. That's what I still need to find out. I don't think Ethan is the real mastermind. Then we're finally getting closer to the truth. Tyler, why did you make Ethan spread those rumors?
Because I wanted people to listen to me.
So James did nothing wrong?
No. He was just an easy target.
Tyler, several students confirmed Charlotte's story.
I know.
You caused a lot of harm. I didn't think it would go this far.
James, I need to tell you something.
What is it?
Tyler threatened to turn everyone against me if I refused. That still doesn't make what you did okay. You're right. I'm sorry for everything. I forgive you, but you need to do better.
And no one should face problems alone,
Yeah.
especially when they have family who never gives up on them.